and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Monday. Today's Makeup Monday is a video on, I've had this palette for a long time, so this isn't a first impression. I just wanted to show you guys it. I realised that I haven't done a video with this palette or on this palette or yeah, something like that. So that is what I'm going to do today. If you are new, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell button and stick around because we have makeup videos every week and nail videos every week and vlogs every week and live videos every week. Quite a lot goes on this channel at the moment. So yeah, please do stick around. And without any further ado, I'm going to introduce what we're going to be using in this video, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sweets palette. This is just what it looks like. And then it has like info all on the back right there. And then this is the colours of the shades inside. Maybe if I put it the right way up, that might be better. So I'm going to give you guys swatches of all these colours. I'm obviously not going to be able to use all the colours on my face. I might get away with using 2. Maybe 3, probably just the 2. Although I could maybe try and like do a bit of like so one shade's quite deep. The shade Taffy is quite a dark shade. But I could maybe put that on my cheeks. So let's come a little bit closer. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them all for you first. So let's start with Taffy. Oh. So that is Taffy. The lights are probably washing this out a little bit, but these are bright colours. Then we're gonna go in with Butterscotch, which is such a nice like goldeny colour. I think with a tan I'd be able to get away with that. I do. Then we've got Sassy Grape, which is a purple shade, which is going to be, you know, not everybody's cup of tea, but it's a gorgeous shade. I'd love that on my eyes. I would so wear that on my eyes. And then finally Marshmallow, which is the one that I use the most. I use this a lot. And it's just that there. So it's like a white with like, how do you explain it? Like goldy, yellowy like tones in it. But that is all 4 swatched there. And hopefully you can get an idea of what they look like. Right, let's get in and put them on the face. I am really tempted. I'm going to try out Taffy. I am going to try and just pop it. Maybe just, oh, I don't know, because it's going to be really shimmery. I don't know. Let's go with the lightest shades first. So I'm going to go in with Marshmallow. I might mix Marshmallow and Butterscotch. I just want to make sure that Butterscotch isn't going to be too dark. Now, I do find, for some reason, when I use a setting powder under my eye, the highlight doesn't go over the top properly, and it's really annoying, and I don't know why. It's like it kind of misses the parts. Can you see how it kind of like ends here? And it misses like these bits where like... So frustrating. So I'm going to take this up here. See how insane it is there, look. Oh! I have to say, like, these Anastasia palettes, they are expensive, right? I'm not gonna, like, sugarcoat that they're expensive. I can't remember how much they are. I think they're like 40 quid. But the pans of these highlights are massive. They are really big and they are really freaking good. Like, look at that. Are you serious right now? I would say they're definitely worth getting, as long as you know you're going to be able to use, like, most of the colours. I have got 3 other ones, I think. I have 3 or 4 altogether. And I'm going to do a video like this on all of them, and then I'll also do a comparison of all of them. Maybe like a pale skin girl's guide kind of thing. Because I do have very pale skin. But here now, I'm mixing butterscotch and marshmallow, and I think it looks alright. Like, I don't think it looks really too dark. I've probably gone a bit over the top on the forehead there, but I just wanted to really show you guys the effect. And yeah, annoyingly, it kind of like won't stick on these bits here. It's really annoying. So I use marshmallow quite often. And then every now and then I might throw in a bit of butterscotch, though, you know. Right, nose. I'm going to do the same on the nose. But I do tend to go lighter on the nose, so probably a bit more marshmallow than butterscotch. The thing is, I put the setting powder on my nose as well. Did I put the setting powder on my nose? I think I did. Can't remember actually. So that's just like, I'm just very glowy right now. I have an eyeshadow tutorial coming after this, so we can be OTT in today's videos. It's fun. Oh, like, look how light the light one is. Freaking love it. I've gone way over the top on my lip, but you know what? I don't even care. I love highlights so much. So yeah, this is like, look at it, you guys, seriously. What? Like, for real. So yeah, I wanted to do a video on these. I feel like, obviously they are expensive and they are high end, but I think when you actually think about how much product you're getting, these are really big pans. How much is in here? 7.4 grams in each. Yeah, in each one. And I just think they're so glowy, it's insane. So, shall we just take a little bit of the darker taffy one? Just a little bit, and just for the sake of this video. I wouldn't normally do this, I don't think. Ooh. It would make a nice blush topper or bronzer topper. I don't know if you can see the difference there. It's a nice one if you're wanting to look nice and glowy, I think. So the only one that I've not got on my face is the purpley one called Sassy Grit. But I actually think that would be a really nice eyeshadow as well, that one. Like, love it. So yeah, those are the swatches, you guys. And this is what it looks like on my face. I would put some of it on there. I would actually use it on my eyes. But I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow like tutorial / review after this one. So I can't. I actually really like the what we put on the cheeks there. I like it. So yeah, probably gone a little bit over the top. If you've been here a while, you won't be surprised. So it's fine. And this is it. This is the, like, I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to do a proper video on this and just show you guys and just say, for me, in my opinion, I do think it's worth getting. I think obviously just make sure you get the one that's got the most, like, what's the word, that's got the most like usable shades to you. Obviously if you're really pale, you're not going to want one that's got loads of dark shades in it, and if you're really dark, you're not going to want like white kind of shades, if that makes sense. So yeah, I guess that's the only way to like say it. It's worth getting, but just make sure you're going to get the most out of the one that you buy, because there are like 5 or 6 different ones you can get now. And I think this is my favourite one, but I think I've got some that I haven't even opened yet, which is really bad, I know, but yeah. But I just wanted to give you guys proper swatches, a proper like, I guess like a proper review, like where I'm actually saying this is my opinion on this palette. I have been using this one, I've had this for over a year. I've had this for probably like 2 years. maybe even longer than that, I don't even know. I've had it a long time and I've used it quite a bit, and yeah, I wanted to do a video, so I did, and that's it, we did it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some of the Anastasia glow kits and you have like a preference, like a favourite one, please do leave comments down below and let me know, and let everybody else know. I like you guys to communicate and talk with each other as well as talking with me, and I do always reply to all the comments that you guys leave because you guys are my fam. You're my fam! So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join our little YouTube family, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Love you loads! Bye!